video is going to be about how to floss, how to brush, and many of you have asked me how it is that I keep my teeth fairly white for the amount of coffee that I drink. Now that I'm showered, I'm getting ready to start with my hygiene routine. So the first thing I do is floss. By the way, for those of you that are subscribers but you don't know, I'm a dental hygienist, and so I have so many people asking me about hygiene routines. Very recently, it seems like more people have gone to the dentist this year than before because a lot of people are asking about all types of procedures. But anyway, let's go to the basics first. This is my dental floss, and I like to wrap it on my pointers, and I use my thumbs to maneuver or manage my dental floss. So when you're flossing, you want to go in a C shape, and what I mean is you'll go in and hook the floss to the sides of your teeth and go up and down, and then come back to the other side so you can go up and down, all the way back. See that? And that's what we call C-shape flossing. I'm gonna do the other side. Now we're gonna do the bottom. So sometimes I use this finger too. I don't mean to flip you guys off, but I use this finger to get to the very far back. I'm going to demo one more time. Perfect, never fails. Now I'm gonna do the other side. And done flossing. The dental floss that I use is waxed. I prefer waxed dental floss, but if you have crowns, bridges, or fillings, this might not work for you. You might want to use something like Glide. Glide is thicker and it won't break on you if you have those types of dental restorations in your mouth. So just a little tip for you guys there. Now I'm gonna switch over to my toothbrush. I use this very fine bristle. I don't know if you can see that. They're very pointy up here. Very soft toothbrush. I keep it very clean, always and forever clean toothbrushes. And I like to use baking soda maybe once or twice a week, not every day. And I dip my toothpaste into my baking soda. I've been liking this toothpaste right now. The brand is AIM, and this is a gel. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it says it right there, fresh gel toothpaste. I prefer the gel toothpaste because I have a lot of recession. I have areas where in the past, prior to knowing a lot about brushing and flossing, I brushed my gums away. When you brush your gums away, your gums start to recede, they start to go down, you're wearing them away, and so now you have root exposure, which we don't want. So I like to do gel toothpaste, And you don't need a whole lot, just the amount size of a pea. It's smeared a little, but you don't need a whole lot of toothpaste. You're not supposed to use a whole lot, just a tiny bit. And what I like to do is dip. I keep baking soda on my vanity. I like to dip my toothbrush or and this is mine. This is only my container. Nobody uses it. It's just mine. And so I'll dip it in there so that my baking soda gets onto my toothpaste. Again, not a whole lot, a little bit goes a long ways. And the right way to brush is at a 45-degree angle. So we're gonna go like this. And you're gonna go gently in circular motion at a 45-degree angle. Notice how I'm at the gum line, not on the gums. And now I'm going to go in the opposite direction because we have there's an arch and there's two sides to every arch. Now I bite down, I join my teeth, and I go in a circular motion. Now I'm going to, don't mind that. I got a new toilet, you guys. It just got installed by hubby. That toilet was giving us issues. So I'm very excited because we got a new toilet. Anywho, back to the brushing. I'm gonna go on the inside now. And on the inside, same thing. 45-degree circular motion. Front teeth, back, stand your toothbrush up. You can feel the bristles getting in between your teeth when your toothbrush is standing up, and you gently go up and down. Don't forget the tops of your molars. And the bottom of your upper molars. My teeth feel so good. Now, because my toothbrush is very soft, and the bristles are nice and pointy, at the very end of brushing, I like to go in between gently, and I sweep in between my teeth, which is why I floss first. I'm doing this very gently, just to sweep in between my teeth. And that's it, guys. That is my hygiene routine. Any questions, comment down below. I am going to share a recipe with you guys in the near future for whitening your teeth. It's not good to whiten your teeth very often, but every now and then you can whiten your teeth just to give your teeth a little brightening effect, especially for us coffee drinkers. Hope you guys liked this video. Sorry for the mess back there. And I know I look terrible with no makeup, but let's keep this real. This is my night routine after a shower before bed where I brush my teeth and they're sparkly clean. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and until next time, bye.